Okay, so today we've got this VW Caddy. It's a 1.6 BSF engine. Doesn't want to start. Sounds like low compression. I'm going to let you hear how it sounds like now. We immediately jump to this as the suspect. There's a lot of slack in that cam belt. We suspect that it might have skipped a tooth. So this is what it sounds like. And luckily, these Caddies are non-interference engine, which means even if the cam belt breaks, the valves and the piston doesn't occupy the same space, so you don't bend valves with it. I'm going to start by taking off the wheel and the fender liner so I can get to the crank pulley. So a handy little trick to keep wires and stuff out of your way while you're working is these bogey cords. Just hook them in somewhere, wherever you need out of your way, and you can hook the other end any place basically. And that gives you some working space. Right, so next thing we do is we support the engine so we can take off that engine mounting. And that's good practice to use a piece of wood under the sump, and you just want to relieve some of the pressure. That should be enough. And we can start taking off the engine mounting. And there's your engine mounting. And then you can get this mounting out. So the serpentine belt tension is very simple. You just take a 17 spanner, put it over, and release the tension. Now you can get it off the alternator and the crank and the aircon. Right, now you've got the tensioner out. Check the condition, doesn't seem too bad. The pulley should just come off, and if I'm correct, that should take care of the bottom timing cover. 2 sections. That's the total slack in this. because if you push it you can actually see that tensioner move slightly, and it's not a spring-loaded tensioner, so I'm actually should be able to take this belt off without even slacking the tensioner. Yeah, there we go. Belt actually came off completely without slacking the tensioner. So there we go. Okay, and that confirms our diagnosis. And there's a tensioner. So those two need to line up when you tension it. So there's a little recess where this goes in, and you put it on. It needs to locate in that recess. Okay, so the torque on the tensioner is 23 Newton meters. And there we have a running Caddy BSF.